Hey guys, me and Trevor Joe out here checking the line. We're on the start of the river, so we got the canoe. We're just trying to get to the big lake, and we're walking through this shallow river. So we'll see if we get anything. All right, we're here at the first set, and got a muskrat.
Oh yeah.
And a foot trap.
Caught him right on the edge.
Yep. So I had a 110 down here, but right in front of the hole, but we didn't get anything there. So far so good. All right, guys. Coming up on this little creek. We got a nice coon. Let me get up a little closer. He looks real big, actually. That looks huge to me. All right. He must have been running up this creek trying to find food. So this is near the end of the line. We got 2 more muskrats that I didn't video. So I'll make a video at the end. Thanks.